Deep work is the ability to focus without distraction on a hard task. Many people feel busy all day. They answer messages, they check phones, they open tabs, they switch from one task to another. At the end of the day, they may feel tired, but not proud. Deep Work by Cal Newport explains why this happens. The book says that deep focus is becoming rare but more valuable. Deep work means giving full attention to one hard task. It may be writing, studying, coding, planning, solving math, learning a skill, or building something new. Shallow work is different. Shallow work is easy to copy and often done while distracted. It can include quick emails, simple updates, busy tasks, and constant checking. The book does not say all shallow work is bad. Some simple tasks must be done. It says deep work helps people create better results. It helps them learn faster. It helps them do work that truly matters. In this video, Chapter Clarity explains the book in an easy-to-understand way. It does not replace the book. The full book or audiobook may be found through the links in the description. Deep Work is a book about focus in a noisy world. Cal Newport writes that many people have trained their minds to expect distraction. A phone buzzes, and the mind turns. A message appears, and the mind turns. A new video, post, or email shows up, and the mind turns again. This kind of switching may feel normal. Yet, the book says it makes deep thinking harder. The mind needs time to settle into hard work. When a person keeps jumping between tasks, attention becomes weak. Newport says people who can focus deeply can do rare and useful work. They can learn hard things and solve serious problems. They can make better art, plans, products, and ideas. The book is not only for workers. Students, parents, creators, business owners, and lifelong learners can use the ideas. The heart of the book is simple. To do meaningful work, protect your attention. The first main idea is that deep work is valuable. Newport says the world rewards people who can learn hard things quickly. It also rewards people who can create high-quality work. Both of those skills need focus. A student who studies with full attention may understand more in 1 quiet hour than in 3 distracted hours. A writer who blocks out noise may finish a clear page faster. A business owner who thinks deeply may make better choices. Deep work is like exercise for the mind. At first, it may feel hard. The brain may want a break. It may want to check something. It may feel bored. With practice, focus can grow stronger. The second main idea is that distraction has a cost. Many people think a quick phone check is no big deal. The book explains that switching attention leaves a trace. Part of the mind stays stuck on the old task. Then, the next task becomes harder. This is why a person can feel busy but scattered. They are not fully in one place. They are half in the email, half in the project, half in the message, and half in the next thought. That is too many halves. Deep work asks for one full mind. This does not mean people must never rest or have fun. The point is to make clear spaces for focus. A person should not let distraction fill every quiet moment. The third main idea is to build a deep work routine. Newport teaches that focus should not depend only on mood. A person may not always feel ready. A routine makes deep work easier to begin. That routine can be simple. Choose a time, a place, and one task. Set a rule for distractions. Decide how long to work. For example, a student may work at the kitchen table from 4 to 5. The phone stays in another room. The goal is to finish one reading assignment. The routine does not need to be perfect, but steady. The book also teaches that people should plan their day with care. A planned day gives attention a job. Without a plan, the loudest thing often wins. The fourth main idea is to quit or control shallow habits. Newport says people should be careful with tools that steal attention. Social media, email, news, and apps can be useful. They can also become traps. A person can ask, "Does this help my real goals?" Or, "What does this cost me?" A free app is not really free if it takes hours of focus. Newport suggests using these tools on purpose, not by habit. A person may check email at set times, use social media only after deep work, turn off alerts, or keep the phone away during study time. Small rules can protect big attention. One well-known idea from the book is that people should embrace boredom. This does not mean life should be dull. It means the mind should learn not to run from every quiet moment. If a person checks a phone every time they feel bored, the brain learns to crave quick rewards. Then, deep focus feels even harder. A better practice is to let boredom pass sometimes. Stand in line without checking the phone. Sit quietly for a few minutes. Walk without filling every second with noise. These small moments teach the mind to stay steady. Another popular idea is to work deeply, then rest fully. A tired mind cannot focus well forever. Deep work needs breaks. Newport says the brain can keep working in the background after a focused session ends. A walk, a meal, sleep, or calm family time can help the mind reset. In wrapping up, the book's biggest takeaways are clear. Deep work is rare and valuable. Distraction makes hard work harder. A simple routine can help focus grow. Shallow tools should be used with care. This book does not say people must become robots. It does not say every minute should be used for work. It says attention is precious. Where attention goes, life begins to follow. The book's message is very useful. Choose what matters. Give it real focus. Protect quiet time. Let the mind do one hard thing well. In a noisy world, deep work can help a person think better, learn better, and create work they can feel proud of.